So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video again we will see the continuation of percentage. So we have seen in the previous video 5 questions. Today we will see 7 questions which is very much important for your upcoming examination. So we will see one by one. So first question is nothing but what they have mentioned. The present population of a town is 24,000. The ratio of male to female in them is 5:3. If population of a male increases at the rate of 10% per annum and the population of a female increases at the rate of 20% per annum, then what will be the ratio of male to female population after 2 years in that town? Right? So we will see in detail. So male populations, so total population is nothing but 24,000, right? Which is divided among male and female. In what ratio? 5:3. That means 8 part is nothing but 24,000. 8 part is nothing but 24,000. So 1 part is nothing but 3,000. So male will be how much now? 5 parts. So 15,000 and female will be how much? 9,000. No need to write directly. Now they are saying that if the population of a male increases at the rate of 10% per annum, first year increasing by 10%, second year also increasing by 10%, because what they are asking, then what will be the population of male and female after 2 years, right? So first year increasing by 10%. If you increase anything by 10%, it will become 110 by 100. So I am just writing 11, again 11 for my easy calculation. What about female? Female is increasing by 20%. If it is increasing by 20%, it is nothing but 120 by 100. So 2 times we have to write 12 into 12. Right? So now 3 3 the 3 5 the, so 121 into 5 is 605. This is how much? 144. 144 into 3 is 432. So my answer is 605 is to 432, which is nothing but third option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 2. In a 96 liter mixture of milk and water, the percentage of water is 100 by 3%. How much water should be mixed in this mixture so that percentage of water become 400 by 9% in the mixture? Now first of all, what is the meaning of 100 by 3%? 100 by 3% is nothing but 1 by 3. And what is the meaning of 400 by 9%? 400 by 9% is nothing but how much now? 4 by 9. So I am writing here milk, I am writing here water. Right? In the first case, total part is 3. In that, water is 1. So milk will be how much? 2. In the second case, total is 9. Water is how much? 4. So milk will be how much? 5. Now what they are saying here, how much water should be mixed? Water only they are going to add. That means milk part should be same. But milk part is not same. Milk is 2, milk is 5 here. Make it same. Multiply this one by 5 and multiply this one by 2. So this will be 10:5 and this will be 10:8. So this is my initial quantity or initial mixture, which is 15. 15 part how much they have given you? 96 liter. Now what they are asking? How much water should be mixed? How much water we have added here? 3 part is how much? 3 is 1 by 5 of 15. Right? 1 by 5 of 15 is 3. So 96 also we have to take 1 by 5. So 5 19s are 95, 5 2s are. So 19.2 is the correct answer. My answer is nothing but 19.2 liter. Clear? So now we'll see question number 3. If price of petrol is increased by 25%, then a bike owner should reduce by how much percent of his riding so that there is no effect on the expenditure of petrol. This in my previous video also I have solved one question. Short trick. If any value is increasing by 1 by n, it will always decrease or compensate by 1 by n plus 1. So what is 25% fraction value? 25% fraction value is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is increasing. How much he has to reduce his consumption? So it will reduce by 1 by 4 plus 1, 1 by 5. And 1 by 5, what is percentage value? 20%. So my answer is nothing but 20%, which is nothing but third option. Clear? Fourth one. Mr. Bansal, an employee of a multinational company, spends 45% of his monthly salary on food, 36% of monthly salary at children education, 12% of monthly salary on electricity bill, and the remaining amount he saves for future. If he saves rupees 17,500 per month, then what is his annual income? Very important question. So, for example, I say that Mr. Bansal's monthly income, first we will see, is 100. In that, total, how much he spent in various sectors. So, he spent 45% on food, 36% on children education, 12% on electricity. So, 36 plus 45 plus 12. So, total how much he spent? 81 plus 12, 93 rupees he spent in different sector. But his salary is 100 only. In that 93 he spent. So remaining how much saving he is having? 7. And that is what they have given you how much in the question? 17,500. So one part is nothing but how much? 2,500. So 100 part is how much? That is what is monthly saving. 25 followed by 40. Right? 2,50,000. But this is what they are asking. What they are asking? Annual income. So we have to multiply this one by 12. So it is nothing but 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs is the correct answer, which is nothing but second option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 5. In an election between two candidates, 75% of voters casted their vote, out of which 2% votes were declared invalid. A candidate got 9,261 votes, which were 75% of the valid votes. The total number of voters enrolled in that election. This is related with election question in percentage. Very important one. So, in election between two candidates, 75% of voters casted their vote. 75% is 3 by 4. Now here, out of which 2% votes were declared invalid. Now if you take 2% of 75, it will be in decimal, right? That means I will say that number of voters is not 100. I will increase that number. I will assume that number as 200. In that 75% voter casted their vote. So what is 75% of 200? 150. In that 2% votes were invalid. So valid is how much? What is 2% of 150? 3, right? So 2% is 250 is 3. So remaining is how much? 147 is valid. A candidate got 9,261 votes, which were 75% of the valid vote. So that means 75% fraction value is nothing but how much? 3 by 4 of valid vote. 147 is nothing but 9,261. Now what they are asking? Total number of voters enrolled in that election, which is how much? 200. So 200 part is how much? That we have to calculate. Right? So first cancel this number. It will go with 7. 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 13s are 91. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21 6 are 126. 3s are 321s are. So 4 into 21 is 84. 84 into 200, what is the answer? 16,800. 16,800 is the correct answer, which is nothing but third option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 6. The manufacturer of an article makes a profit of 5%, the wholesale dealer makes a profit of 10%, and the retailer makes a profit of 15%. Find the manufacturing price of article if the retailer sold it for rupees 5,330. That means they are asking to calculate the cost price of the article. So I am writing here CP, I am writing here SP. First one is nothing but profit of 5%. What is 5% fraction value? 1 by 20. If CP is 20, 1 rupees profit, so selling price will be 21. Second is nothing but 10% profit. 10% fraction value, 1 by 10. If CP is 10, 1 rupees profit, SP will be 11. And third is nothing but 15% profit. What is 15% fraction value? 3 by 20. If 20 CP, 3 rupees profit, this is nothing but 23. Multiply this one. This is 4,000. And this is how much? First multiply 21 to 23. Multiplication of two number when difference is 2. It is nothing but middle number square minus 1 square. Between 21 and 23, what is the middle number? 22. What is 22 square? 484. Minus 1, 483. So 483. You have to multiply by 11. Multiplication by 11. What is the trick? Write this 3. Add this number. So 5313. This is the selling price. But in the question, what is the selling price they have given you? 5313. 5313 part is nothing but 5313. So it is one time. This is also one time. 4000 into 1, what is the answer? 4000. So answer is nothing but 4000, which is nothing but first option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 7. The population of a town is 10,000. In a particular year, male population is increased by 5% and female population by 8%. If the population at the end of the year is 10,590, what was the size of male population in the town in the beginning of the year? This question can be solved in many ways. You have basic method, you have allegation method, you have oral method also, right? But we will see this question by allegation directly. So you have male, you have female. Male is increasing by 5%. Female is increasing by 8%. What about overall increment? So initial population is nothing but 10,000. Now it has become 10,590. How much increment? 590 on 10,000 into 100. 59 by 10 is nothing but 5.9. So overall change is 5.9. State level allegation. 8 minus 5.9 is 2.1. 5.9 minus 5 is 0.9. So what is the ratio? 21 is to 9, or I can say 7 is to 3. Right? Now what they are saying here? So this is nothing but total ratio of male and female. But what about total population of a town? 10,000. Now what they are asking, what is the size of male? Male is 7. 7 out of 10 into 10,000. 0, 0 cancel. What is the answer? 7,000. So male is nothing but 7,000, which is nothing but fourth option. Clear? So very important questions we have seen in this particular video of percentage. So please do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos. So please prepare well. All the best. Thanks a lot.